Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Mercedes-Benz. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz is a great value with less than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city, and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.